In this video, I'll be going over my mid-November income report for KDP, YouTube, and Etsy. I'll be going over my ads, orders, royalties for KDP, and my revenue analytics for YouTube, and my current stats for Etsy. So I apologize, I am currently sick, so that's why my voice sounds a little bit weird. And we did just move to a completely different state, so we're trying to get organized and settled, and that's why I haven't been as active and why this video is a little bit later than normal, but that's okay. Let's get started. So for ads, I did not run any for November at all so far, or October or September. I'm showing my current lifetime because people are usually pretty curious about it, but I have not run many ads at all. I've spent a total of $98.98 so far on ads since I started in December 2021. I'm not against ads, I just simply don't have the time or money to run them right now. However, if you are interested in ads, I'm still pretty much a beginner when it comes to it, but I recommend checking out the Amazon Advertising Blueprint course. This course has so many amazing reviews, and I recently became an affiliate, so if you buy this course, I'll get a commission off of that at no extra cost for you. But it's created by Ben, who runs Money on the Side, that YouTube channel in that business, so I highly recommend checking this out if you are interested in doing ads. I just personally am still sort of a beginner, so I'm still trying to figure my own things out, but I highly recommend checking out this course if that's something that you definitely want to do. So moving over to my orders for the November 1st through 15th of 2023, I currently have 76 orders. The beginning of the month started off pretty slow for me, and October was overall a slower month for me as well, I think. But it did start to pick up, and on the 15th here, I did sell, it looks like 12 of them, so I was very happy with that. And then moving over to my royalties, currently at $169.54 for the first half of the month. And again, the beginning of the month was really slow. I had many days that were around just $5, which I don't want to complain about because there was a time when I wasn't even making a sale every day, or I was just trying to make $5 in a month. So I'm definitely not complaining. It just is a little frustrating when I made almost $600. I made about $558 in August, and now it's like I'm trending downwards. So it's a little frustrating, but that's okay. We'll see how the rest of the month goes, because on the 15th it did pick up, like I said, and I made over, I think it was $27 or something like that, and I have noticed a few more higher days, so I'm hoping that that means that it's starting to finally pick up. And then before we move on to the rest, I just want to say this video is sponsored by 100 Covers. If you're looking for someone to do a professional cover for you, you don't have time to do your own, or whatever your reason is, I highly recommend checking them out. They have some really great deals. You can get quality custom book cover designs for just $100, and they have loads of information on this page. So you can look at some of their portfolio. They have way more than just this. These are some of their best sellers. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them. They are so nice and have gotten back to me very quickly for any questions I do have. They have a few different services. I'll scroll down here to where they're in a chart. So they have the ebook pack, the print pack, and the plus pack. So I'm just going to hit the print pack because I do have a coupon code if you decide to try them out. I highly recommend using the code because that way you can save a little bit of money yourself, and we're all here trying to save money and trying to make money. So this will give you, I believe it's 30% off, so $140 total is what you'd have to pay, so that's $60 off. So I recommend checking out 100 Covers. They do some incredible work and have a lot of different options to choose from. So moving over to my YouTube analytics, this is for November 1st through 15th, and I have 9.1k views, 415.9 watch time hours, 100 subscribers. Kind of cool that it's right at 100, and estimated revenue is $112.51. I have not been as active as I want to be. Like I said, well, I'm sick now, and we've been in the process of moving over 12 hours away, so it's been a long process, and I just simply haven't had a lot of time to create YouTube videos, respond to comments, or anything like that. So I'm still very happy about this, especially since I haven't been as active, and my revenue has been still up, and I have multiple days that are over $10. It looks like I have $10 here, $10.04 there. So I'm very happy with this. Going over to my revenue tab, the video that's made me the most is this A Realistic First Year of Amazon KDP, and then my resize Amazon KDP cover, my income report, how to start KDP in 2023, and then get started with email marketing. One of these is from membership, so thank you so much for being a member of my channel. It really, really helps me. Shorts, watch page ads. If I hit see more, it'd probably show the premium and things like that, but majority comes from the watch page ads, and then memberships is usually the next one after that. And this just shows my previous income for the months, and that's showing my total for November so far, so not just the 1st through the 15th. And then my RPM is 14.97. So my revenue is about the same as it's been the previous 2 months, because if I double that, it'd be around 230 or so, so it's around the same. I'm really happy with that. I'd love to get YouTube up to about $500 a month, but as long as I'm making over 100 so I can get paid out, I'm happy with that. And then moving down here to my views, this one, A Realistic First Year of Amazon KDP, has the most views at 1,213 during this time. And then my income report, and then it just goes down the list here. So I find it pretty interesting that the email marketing video was 4th, and it's not even on my top 10 here. So that tells me that the RPM or CPM for that video must be pretty high in order for it to be there, and I'm actually curious, so let's go and check that out right now. It was actually 5th here. So I just want to go to estimated revenue of $6.32. Let's go to here and scroll down. RPM at 38.76. So it's really interesting to see how the views change. Like, they definitely matter, of course. This is how you get paid from YouTube, but the CPM and RPM make a major difference. A $90.34 CPM is just amazing. So if this video took off, because right now I'm at 165 views, if this video took off, it would make a lot of money at that rate. And that would just be really, really cool. I'm just overall happy with that so far. Moving over to Etsy. Let's go right over here. So I got a total of 21 visits, 2 orders, 9.5% conversion rate, and $5.98 in revenue. And down here is just showing the 2 orders when they were. So I will say I have gotten another order. I think I got an order on November 16th. No, it's not part of the mid-month, but just putting that out there. And this is one of my better months on Etsy. I honestly haven't done anything different. I noticed 2 of my digital papers were expired. So when I did this video, I just renewed them. But I don't do any advertising or anything for this. So this is pretty much all just passive. And I'm very happy about that. Every little bit adds up, or every amount of money adds up. $5 will definitely add up and be very helpful. And these are the 2 orders. I believe this is around the 11th and then the 14th. And then, like I said, I did have one on the 16th. It's just not in here since it's the 1st through the 15th. But I hope this video was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to put them in the comments below, and remember to please be kind and respectful to everyone. Thank you so much for watching and listening to this video, and I hope that you have a great day.